Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to sync photos to music. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and essentially do is a lot of people don't use TikTok to do this unless you really want to, but it'd be kind of difficult, but it's probably easier to do on a different app. But I'm going to show you how on TikTok. So let's go ahead and pick a song. Okay, and then let's say I just took a video. All right, now I'm not gonna have the song playing because I don't want to get copyrighted. But okay, so now I have this video where I'm snapping, and let's say I wanted to edit it to a T to where I'm snapping on the beat. I would just go to the next page and then click on this right here. And then you can kind of see the audio waves, and I could just make cuts in the video or splits to make sure that it's lined up to where if I'm snapping is going to be right on the beat. So as you see on the beat, you can see the different things like that. So let's say I wanted to do this snap to the next one on the beat, so then I could, I don't know, I could shorten this and then like line it up to where it's just on beat. But like TikTok isn't necessarily the best app for this because other apps you can like layer stuff and move them around. But you can do it on TikTok. It's just a little bit tricky and you gotta like finagle with it a little bit. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.